Drying walls and eliminating capillary rise of water. NCT technology. How can you effectively dry walls and eliminate the issue of capillary moisture? In this video, we demonstrate the process of effectively drying walls in the locality of Shvedbeshen, 385, 6866 Andelsbuch. The main problem of this site was a strong capillary rise of water, which led to significant wall dampness, the formation of salt efflorescence, and the destruction of the mortar. Thanks to the application of NCT technology, we managed to stop the capillary moisture rise, dry the walls, and restore their structure using mineral materials. Why is capillary water rise so dangerous? Capillary rise is a natural phenomenon where water penetrates the structure of walls due to capillary forces. It is particularly dangerous because the moisture gradually destroys the masonry, causing erosion of the mortar and weakening of the bricks. Concrete. Water carries mineral salts which crystallize on the surface, forming efflorescence and causing plaster deterioration. Without effectively blocking the path of capillary moisture, even new plasters and paints quickly become unusable. To effectively solve this problem, surface waterproofing alone is not sufficient. It is necessary to densify the wall structure internally with mineral materials and strengthen it. Stages of drying and restoring walls. 1. Diagnosis and surface cleaning. First, moisture measurements of the walls were conducted, and their contamination level was determined. Mortars and plasters damaged by moisture and salts were removed. 2. Stopping capillary water rise. Application of NCT crystal. After preparing the surface, NCT crystal was applied, a special mineral compound that permanently blocks moisture movement in the wall through a crystallization mechanism. How does NCT crystal work? It penetrates deeply into the structure of the brick and concrete, reaching the capillaries through which water moves. Initiates the crystallization process, creating insoluble mineral structures in the wall pores that permanently block moisture transport. Stops further formation of salt efflorescence by preventing the migration of salts in the upper part of the wall. Acts throughout the entire thickness of the wall, not just on the surface, ensuring a long-lasting drying effect. 3. Restoration of wall structure. Application of NCT-CM. After applying NCT crystal, work was done to fill the joints and seal the surface using NCT-CM, a special mineral solution with drying properties. Why was NCT-CM chosen? It works in conjunction with NCT crystal, enhancing the drying process, strengthens weakened joints and seams, eliminating voids where moisture could accumulate again, seals capillaries, further restricting water movement, while still allowing natural diffusion of water vapor. 4. Final finishing. Application of NCT lime plaster. To ensure long-term protection of the dried wall and to create an aesthetic coating, NCT lime plaster was used. The advantage of NCT lime is its high vapor permeability, allowing walls to breathe and preventing remoistening. Its natural lime-based composition regulates the room's microclimate and has antibacterial properties. Resistance to mineral salts is not compromised when in contact with residual efflorescence. Strength and elasticity provide a durable finish without the risk of cracking or peeling. Results of applying NCT technology. Checkmark. Long-term drying of walls, elimination of capillary rise. Checkmark. Stopping the process of wall destruction, protection from mineral salts. Checkmark. Restoration of wall structure, strengthening of joints and of masonry. Checkmark. Natural humidity regulation due to the use of mineral materials. Checkmark. Aesthetic and durable coating. The final result is not only functional but also visually attractive. Who is this technology suitable for? Our solutions are suitable both for the restoration of old buildings and for new constructions that require effective wall drying.